The Echoes of Time. In the heart of an ancient city, a weathered historian named Elara discovered a forgotten manuscript buried beneath the crumbling stones of a dilapidated library. The manuscript, inscribed in a delicate script, chronicled the life of a brilliant but obscure philosopher named Lysander, who had lived during a tumultuous era of political upheaval. Lysander's thoughts, once lost to the annals of time, were a tapestry of wisdom woven from the threads of history and human experience. He cautioned against the perils of power, advocating for the delicate balance between authority and individual freedom. Elara was captivated. She felt as though the words leapt from the page, resonating with the struggles of her own time. As she delved deeper into Lysander's world, Elara unearthed not only his philosophy, but also the societal context in which he lived. The manuscript revealed the interconnectedness of historical events, demonstrating how the echoes of the past reverberated through generations. The rise and fall of empires, the quest for knowledge, and the enduring human spirit were laid bare before her. Determined to share Lysander's insights, Elara organized a symposium, inviting scholars and thinkers from across the globe. The event sparked fervent discussions and ignited a renewed interest in the lessons of history. Through her efforts, Lysander's voice, long silenced by time, resonated once more, bridging the chasm between the past and the present. In the end, Elara realized that history was not merely a collection of dates and events. It was a living, breathing entity that shaped the essence of humanity. And as she stood amidst the vibrant dialogues of the symposium, she felt the weight of history transform into a beacon of hope for future generations.